4G solar AOV camera. Solar panel, 2 pieces. Standard for the solar panel. Screws for install. User manual. Now we open it. This is the camera. 4 lens. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can up and down, left, right, PT. This left also can adjust the angle. Both sides can. It's easy to install. The easy handle. This is speaker, audio speaker. Now we put the SIM card. This inside have battery. This is the USB port. This can connect to the solar panel, give the power. This is the on/off button. Now first we put on the 4G card. Now we open this and we can see inside have 2 slots. One is for 4G card, SIM card. One is for SD card for memory. Now we put the 4G card inside. Okay, then we close it. We turn on the camera button here. Once you install, you should first install the solar panel, and then you connect it to the solar panel and give the power. And inside we already put the SIM card. Now we turn on the camera. Then the camera first will detect and self-check. Wait. Yeah.
4G device starting. 4G device startup is complete. 4G module detected successfully. SIM card detected successfully. Connecting to the network. Please wait.
Self-check.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Now already connected SIM card, the network all connected. Now we can use the app to see the video.